Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open the Amazon Flex app on your phone and look for the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap it to access your account settings and preferences. Step 2. Navigate to your profile section by selecting your name or account icon. You'll see various options here related to your account information and delivery preferences. Step 3. Look for the location settings or home address option within your profile. This is where Amazon tracks your primary delivery zone for flex opportunities. Step 4. Tap on the address field to edit your current location. You can either type in your new address manually or use the map feature to pin your exact location. Step 5. Save your changes by tapping the Confirm button at the bottom of the screen. The app will update your location instantly, and you'll start seeing delivery offers from your new area within a few minutes. Your new location is now active, and you can accept flex blocks that match your updated service zone.